Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this particular video. So aspirant, today I have come up with a video where I'm going to talk about the changes that NABARD should consider in their pattern. See, we agree that NABARD is a prestigious organization and they might have taken utmost care while deciding the pattern of examination. Okay, so they have considered all the factors, but still students हमारे पास आते हैं, they come up with a doubt, they come up with a query, they come up with their concern, on the basis of which we think that there are still scope of improvement in NABARD examination pattern, and there are three things that NABARD must change in their examination. So in this particular video we are going to talk about the scope of improvement in the examination pattern. What are those three things that NABARD should consider? Okay, and if NABARD wo cheez consider karta hai, that would make the life of aspirant much easier. Okay, so let's start this video, but I have an informative announcement for you that we have launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook, which is your one-stop solution to all your queries regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. See, aspirant, if you want to see the previous year question of NABARD, if you want to see syllabus of NABARD, as well as if you want the sources and strategy to clear this NABARD examination, all these information is provided in this guidebook. Okay, for availing this guidebook, you just need to go to the link that is provided in the description box of this video. Register yourself and avail this guidebook for yourself. So this is, one of the informative guidebook that you can have in your hand. You can read this guidebook and you will get all the doubt cleared regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. So with that informative announcement, let's start our today's video. And we are talking today about three things that NABARD must change in their examination pattern. See, again, I am telling you, NABARD must have taken all care while deciding the pattern of examination. But still, when students come to us with their doubt, with their query, with their concern, then we feel like there are few still things that NABARD can consider in their examination pattern. Okay, and also we know that NABARD को वही aspirant चाहिए होंगे that are willing to work with NABARD, that are solely willing, that they want to work with NABARD, and उनका main purpose NABARD में ही जाने का होगा. But still there are few facts which we cannot deny, and we will be discussing all these facts one by one. First is no fixed date of recruitment. सो पहला कंसर्न तो यही होता है स्टूडेंट्स का, सारे एस्पिरेंट्स का, कि नोटिफिकेशन कब आएगा. एवरी टाइम आई टेक अ कॉल फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट यही बोलते हैं, मैम एक्सपेक्टेड नोटिफिकेशन डेट कब है. सो एस्पिरेंट सी, there is no fixed date for the notification. Okay, and this is the scope of improvement which we think NABARD can consider in their examination pattern, because we have seen from many past years, every year NABARD is releasing notification, and if they can provide one fixed date or one fixed month that in this particular time frame we are going to release the notification, so that will help aspirant a lot. Okay, सी वी नो NABARD को वही एस्पिरेंट चाहिए जिनको NABARD में काम करना है. एंड वी कैन नॉट डिनाई द अनदर फैक्ट दैट अगर कोई एस्पिरेंट गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तैयारी कर रहा है, सो ही इज नॉट जस्ट सोनली फोकस्ड ऑन वन जॉब. ओके, ही और शी हैव द अदर बैकअप प्लान. तो ऐसा नहीं है एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब लाइक NABARD, विच आई एग्री इज अ वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द एस्पिरेंट, बट अलॉन्ग विद द NABARD अदर एग्जाम्स की भी लोग तैयारी करते हैं, बच्चे तैयारी करते हैं, एंड दे थिंक दैट इफ दे हैव अ फिक्स recruitment date of NABARD with them, so they can plan their studies accordingly, they can set their priorities accordingly. So बहुत सारे aspirant have from the UPSC background, from the other background or the banking background, who wanted to join NABARD, who wanted to take NABARD, but they do not have any fixed date of recruitment, so they become skeptical कि उनकी यहाँ की तैयारी भी छूट जाएगी and then NABARD के लिए भी अच्छे से preparation नहीं होगी, right? So if NABARD could provide a fixed date of recruitment or fixed date time frame for notification, so that is going to help aspirant a lot, and this is the scope which we think, this is the scope of improvement which we think NABARD should consider in their notification pattern or examination pattern. Clear? So students, see, I am not denying that once notification is out, everything is so smooth. Okay, NABARD has released the notification, so on the tentative date, mostly the examination is held for preliminary pre-phase, then for the mains also, and then interview also. After notification is released, everything is smooth, but still, if we can have a one time frame or fixed date for the notification, so that can ultimately help lot of aspirant who are aspiring to join NABARD. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, टाइम ड्यूरेशन बहुत क्लैश हो जाता है बहुत सारे एग्जामिनेशन से, एंड स्टूडेंट्स दे कम इन द सिचुएशन ऑफ डिलेमा दैट क्या चूज करें, कैसे प्रायोरिटी सेट करें, राइट. सो फॉर दैट आई फील लाइक दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग दैट NABARD शुड इम्प्रूव. एंड सी एवरी ईयर नोटिफिकेशन आता है, अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर ईयर के लिए नोटिफिकेशन रिलीज नहीं होता है, दैट NABARD कैन इन्फॉर्म 1-2 month अर्लियर, ओके, कि एस्पिरेंट्स को आके नोटिस दे दिया कि वी आर नॉट रिलीजिंग नोटिफिकेशन और वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनी रिक्रूटमेंट फॉर दिस ईयर, दैट NABARD कैन इन्फॉर्म. बट स्टिल फॉर usual recruitment process they can give one date or one time frame to help aspirant. Clear? Now next is many subject in phase 1. So this is also one concern of aspirant that we have 8 subject. See, NABARD is the examination. In NABARD examination phase 1 में 8 subject है. पहले तो 8 सब्जेक्ट सोच के ही एस्पिरेंट्स डर जाते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स डर जाते हैं कि 8 सब्जेक्ट कवर करने हैं फेज 1 के लिए. सो आई थिंक इन सब्जेक्ट का नंबर थोड़ा सा कम होना चाहिए एंड इट शुड बी मोर ऑफ जेनेरिक सब्जेक्ट लाइक क्वांट, रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश जो सारे एग्जाम्स में होती है. कंप्यूटर नॉलेज एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग कैन बी ओमिटेड. देखो वैसे भी इनका वेटेज कम है, राइट. देर इज और जो मिनिमम कट ऑफ जाती है कंप्यूटर नॉलेज और डिसीजन मेकिंग की वो भी कम ही जाती है. सो इफ दी सब्जेक्ट कैन बी ओमिटेड देन वी विल हैव ओनली 6 सब्जेक्ट इन द NABARD grade A, राइट, प्रिलिमिनरी फेज. एंड वो थोड़ा सा सही नंबर लगेगा बच्चों को कि ओके नाउ वी हैव टू कवर क्वांट, रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश जो कि हम और एग्जामिनेशन के लिए भी पढ़ते ही हैं, साथ में हमें सिर्फ ESI, ARDN, GA पढ़ना है. क्लियर? सो आई think this is also one of the scope of improvement in the NABARD pattern that NABARD can consider. Next is same phase 1 pattern for both journalist and specialist. Now students देखो phase 1 में 8 subject है, but if you are applying from journalist post, ठीक है, आपको ESI, ARD सब पढ़ना है because आपका that is going to help you in phase 2 also. But what about specialist post aspirant? देखो what can happen here is that a person who is from the specialist background, okay, he or she wanted to join NABARD for the background which he have, okay, for the specialist post, but वहाँ पे बच्चों को आ जाता है कि हमें ARD पढ़नी है. I agree, NABARD is a agriculture and rural development bank and aspirants को be it the specialist or journalist सबको agriculture का knowledge होना चाहिए. But this knowledge of agriculture, this general knowledge of agriculture can be tested in interview phase. ओके, सो अगर ये स्पेशलिस्ट के लिए यहाँ पे हटा दिया जाए एंड रादर उनका सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट रखा जाए, लाइक फाइनेंस है तो ARD की जगह फाइनेंस रख दो, अगर IT है तो वहाँ पे IT रख दो, सो दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प पीपल ऑफ स्पेशलिस्ट पोस्ट immense. Okay, so that is immensely going to help the aspirant of specialist post. Clear? So here you can see that फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देर आर 8 सब्जेक्ट में भी ESI, ARD है. लाइक अब एग्रीकल्चर बैकग्राउंड से जो बच्चे एग्रीकल्चर स्पेशलिस्ट के लिए भरते हैं, दे हैव टू रीड ESI. अगेन ESI इज अ वेरी न्यू सब्जेक्ट फॉर देम. और जो बैकग्राउंड के बच्चे हैं, दे हैव टू रीड बोथ ESI. किसी के लिए ESI नया होता है, किसी के लिए एग्रीकल्चर नया होता है, किसी के लिए दोनों ही नए होते हैं. एंड इट माइट बी चांस कि वन एस्पिरेंट who is capable, who is driven for NABARD, who wanted to genuinely join NABARD, and he is a good aspirant, but there is some lack of information, or you can say कि उनको ARD अच्छे से नहीं हो पाया, like sectional cut off अच्छे से पढ़ी but sectional cut off clear नहीं हो पाई किसी एक subject में, so that is again going to cost one aspirant, right, and NABARD can lose on that good aspirant. So yes, I feel like these 3 are the things that NABARD should consider, and they can make these changes in the notification pattern or the examination pattern. So students, again I will end up the session by saying that again NABARD is a regulatory body, a prestigious opportunity for all aspirant. They want some good aspirant to join them, but so they have made the pattern accordingly. अगर difficulty level है तो that is to test something, but still we feel these scopes, and we feel that NABARD should consider these things and make some few changes according to these things, right? So that was all for this video. if I talk about our courses, so we have gold pack and silver pack. In gold pack, you get the material for phase 1, phase 2 and interview preparation, while in silver pack, you get the material for phase 2 and interview preparation. And for phase 1, ESI, ARD and GA, which is integrated with phase 2, so that is also provided in silver pack. So I hope this video would have, given some insight of the scope of NABARD examination. So that's all. And if you want to, join our YouTube channel for classes of regarding NABARD examination, you can join our YouTube channel, and also you can join Telegram for downloading the informative PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. So that was all, aspirants. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.